Okay, so in this video we've got a Ryobi Sander. This one, it's a bit of a strange one really. It works and then it doesn't work. So just have a look at that and see why sometimes it wants to work and then sometimes it just randomly cuts out. But we'll have a quick test of it. And yeah, it's not happy. Okay, once all screws are removed, we'll just separate the housing, take it apart, we'll give it a bit of a clean down, give it a quick test, see how it performs, and sort of go from there. Okay, once tested, it's still not happy. It will spin and then it will just stop spinning. I believe I've located the problem though. Right at the bottom on the motor, there's a metal circular sort of little part that's missing that's supposed to hold the shaft in place, but that just keeps shifting to the left or right, and when it does it completely stops the whole thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a replacement or 3D print one, get that fitted and then see what happens, but that's for another video. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe for more.